Hi, this is Olivia Lobel, author of The Enlightened Entrepreneur and founder of AuthenticBeSuccess.com, and welcome to the Enlightened Entrepreneur video training series on how to make an impact and an income doing what you love. Today's video is about your do wants. It's about getting crystal clear on what you do want in your life and what truly matters to you. To connect with the core of your authentic life, the life you love, you need to get very deep and specific and identify all the things you do want. So I want to give you 3 simple yet powerful tools right now to help you get started right away. Answer the 3 key questions. 1. What do you really want to be, do, and have? 2. What activity makes you the happiest? 3. What's your big dream? Bonus tip: who do you truly want to be and become? Now, apply the law of Gandhi. Go and do it. And more important, take the very next first step today. And that, my dear friend, will bring you authentic business success as an enlightened entrepreneur when it comes to living the life you love. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's stopping you from doing what you most want and desire? Share a comment below. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you want even more great resources from my book, The Enlightened Entrepreneur, to help you make an impact and an income doing what you love, go to enlightenedentrepreneur.book.com and get your special gifts now. Be authentic and keep going for your passion and purpose. The world is waiting for your special gifts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, share your passion, live your purpose, and truly try today.